Tonight I wanted to show this little Derringer. This thing is made by Davis Industries of Chino, California, and it is in 32 caliber, 32 auto. And this is the first one of these I have ever really even played with or had. It's pretty cool. It's got a little lever that slides down, and then you raise it up, and you can put 2 shells in there. And it's got a little ejector that you slide back to eject the spent cartridges, and then you just slide it down here. The safety of this little mechanism, and you pull the hammer back, you slide that over to the left, and it will not fire. And if you slide it over, it will fire. Beautiful little gun, and got a little pearl handle on it. Not shot this gun yet, but definitely, I'm gonna say on the cool factor, probably scores about a 10. Actually, not really uncomfortable. You can see that thing in the palm of my hand there. But maybe one day I'll pick me up some 32 auto shells, try this thing out. But I just wanted to show this gun, and it's definitely cool as can be. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Thanks.